Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Node.js LTS installed and npm available because npm is a Node tool. Open the project folder in VS Code, then open the integrated terminal. This keeps commands tied to the workspace. Once done, run npm init to create package. JSON, this file tracks dependencies and scripts. Make sure to commit package. JSON to version control so teammates can install identical packages. Now you have a reproducible project foundation and a terminal ready for package work. Next, you add and manage dependencies. Use npm install package name save to add runtime packages or save dev for tools and testing. This updates package. JSON and package lock. JSON, once installed, add scripts under scripts in package. JSON like start or build so you can run npm run start. Make sure to use npm sci in continuous integration for deterministic installs from package lock. JSON. Also, periodically run npm audit and consider updating with npm update or npx npm check updates to keep packages secure and compatible. Finally, you run and verify everything. Execute npm, run your script, and watch terminal output for errors and exit codes. This confirms behavior. Make sure to use VS Code's debugger and the npm script runner extension to step through scripts and inspect environment variables. If something breaks, first delete node modules and run npm install to rebuild dependencies. Check package lock. JSON for mismatched versions. One key troubleshooting tip. If installs fail, clear npm cache with npm cache clean force.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.